there's some cool little things that Google already does. Like as soon as you email somebody or somebody sends you an email and you were to reply, they would automatically create a contact for that record. So with this sync running, that contact, it would just make sure that that contact then also exists in Chime. And it does some other cool things, right? Because it does this two-way sync. You can see in field mapping, there's lots of information that can go back and forth. The one cool thing that this will apply is it will enable this thing called caller ID, because maybe you are actively working in Chime, and as you're creating new contacts or contacts find their way into Chime, because there's various ways, right, that contacts can start entering Chime because of all the different sources. This sync will make sure that they, without you even hitting a button, they end up on your phone. So folks would be filling out a lead ad, leaving their phone number. If they end up calling you, your phone will actually show the caller ID of that person, because this sync in the background has made sure that that contact, even though they fill out a form on your website, it will actually make sure that your phone says it's Randy Carroll calling you, and that's pretty cool. Also, if you're like, if you happen to know that Randy Carroll filled out your form and you're in your car and you want to talk to Siri and you want to say, hey Siri, call Randy Carroll, right? Unless I'm mistaken, I don't think the mobile app has that voice recognition yet, but Siri does. So if I'm asking Siri, hey, call Randy Carroll, because Randy Carroll, sure enough, will be sitting in my phone book. It's those subtle things that really make PieSync like one of those powerful apps that you got to try out to really experience the full power.